This is a follow-along video for Dowager's Hump. Welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. I made a video for beginners, Dowager's Hump, and the benefits and anatomy of the spinal structures that's being forward due to bad posture. So get your ball, bolster, and elastic band to join me on this gentle progression to slowly progress and improve your posture. Okay, friends, we'll start sitting up straight. Belly button in, disengage your core muscles. Inhale through your nose and blow through your mouth. When you take a deep breath, I want you to pull your belly button in to strengthen your core and blow. Always remember, the diaphragm is part of your core muscles, so taking a deep breath help support your spine. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Always remember the thoracic area when you have a forward posture to open it up. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Last breath, warm up your core. Inhale and blow. So let's warm up our shoulders. Open your palms apart. So in this video is different. I'm going to have more warming up first before we strengthen. So we're going to do shoulder backwards with your palms out, stretching your chest muscles. And with your breaths, inhale, belly button in and blow. My recommendation is to do this 10 times to warm up backwards. Backwards alone only, so you don't want to engage forward because you already have a forward posture. So backward, and now slowly look up. Stretch those neck muscles as well. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. 5 more circles backward. Take a deep breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now we're going to do side to side stretch. Lean. You feel your shoulders stretch up and lean to the side. Warm up your thoracic and rib cage area that's tight. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. It's nice to warm up our muscles first before we strengthen so you don't hurt your spine and your shoulders and neck. Take a deep breath, lean to the left, overhead and blow. The right, overhead, and look up slowly now on your neck to the ceiling so you feel a nice neck stretching now. So now lean to the left, point to the ceiling with your right hand and turn your neck and back and blow. Turn, take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. We have 2 more repetitions warming up our shoulders, upper back and neck. Inhale, belly button in and blow. Last one, take a deep breath. You can do cross-legged position or you can sit on a chair if you're having back pain. And now we're going to utilize the ball. Grab the ball, place it in your stomach area, lean on it, and we're going to do 10 repetitions with our elbows straight and lift up and slowly look up. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Inhale and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and blow. Feel that on your upper back. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Inhale up, take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. You might feel it on your shoulders area, all the way to your upper back and blow. Inhale, belly button in and blow. Take a deep breath, halfway to go and blow. You feel that on your low back area. Just on the ball alone, you're activating your core because you're trying to engage your core, keeping the ball stable and blow. 2 more to go. Take a deep breath, belly button in, looking up gently and blow. Last one, and I'm going to hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and blow. If you have knee pain, then try do this on your stomach instead of having a ball. So now with the elastic band, you're going to place this elastic band on your stomach area and gently pull back and blow. Oh, you feel it more now. And there's different resistance band you can start. The yellow one is the easiest and lightest resistance. So this is green band that I'm using. And we'll do this 10 times as well. 7 more to go. So you're going to lift up. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The holds are important. Isometrics. Because those are important for your postural muscles. And blow. Take a deep breath. Halfway to go. Belly button in and blow. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Feel that on your shoulders, triceps, and upper back and neck and blow. 2 more to go. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Then down slowly. And last one. And hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and blow. Good job. Now, with this same position, on your stomach still, the ball, hold it there, and now we're gonna lift forward this time. So this is a gentle progression. So if you've been doing the beginner's video, then you're ready for this. Do it at least a week before you progress. Take a deep breath, so slowly punch forward on your stomach and blow. And look up slowly, and we'll do this 10 times as well. And blow. 4. Inhale, belly button in and blow. If your neck is getting tired, you can always rest and pause the video and continue later. So when you go back to 90 and forward to have more range of motion, and slowly look up. 2 more to go. Punch forward, belly button in and blow. Last one. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You might feel a little bit fatigued now in your neck area. So now we're going to sit up. My recommendation is to sit on your ball. You'll be surprised when you sit on your ball, you're already engaging your core muscles. Help your center of gravity to stretch your back. If you have bad posture like this, in doing this exercise, you're going to fall off the ball. So it's just sitting on the ball, it will help remind yourself to sit up straight and your posture. So this is the new progression that I don't have from the previous video. So if you want to challenge yourself, try this. So sit up straight, elbow in your waist, and then we're going to do external rotation, keeping your elbow in your waist while pulling the bands apart while sitting on the ball. So that's a beautiful progression. Take a deep breath, belly button in. 2. We have 10 times of repetitions going out. So this is the 3rd time. Inhale, belly button in. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and blow. Halfway to go. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Inhale. Engage your core muscles. Keep your body stable with the ball. And blow. 3 more to go. Inhale. Belly button in and blow. You feel it on your shoulders. It's amazing. Your shoulders help support your posture. And blow. 2 more. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Last one. Inhale. Belly button in and blow. Now we're going to wrap it around your back area on your armpit area level. And now we're going to punch forward and slowly look up. This helps your proprioception for your thoracic area. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and slowly go down and blow. So I'll show you in sideways so you can see proper form. So you're going to punch, take a deep breath, engaging my core muscles, belly button in and slowly look up and blow. We have 8 more to go. So punch, take a deep breath, slowly go up. You're also engaging your serratus anterior, which is your muscles for forward and up. Keep your scapula in if you have winging of your scapula. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. Because sometimes there's a correlation of kyphosis or Dowager's hump with a little bit winging of scapula because of weakness on these muscles. So punch and slowly go up. Take a deep breath and blow. 3 more to go. Take a deep breath. Punch, look up, and slowly go down and blow. 2 more. Inhale, belly button in and blow. Last one. We're gonna hold it for 5 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly go back and blow. So that's another one with the ball. So now we're gonna open this and we're gonna pull back. So this helps your middle traps and your shoulders of your posterior deltoids, and blow. We'll do 10 times and hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7 more to go. Take a deep breath. And now we're going to progress with looking up gently and blow. Inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and blow. Halfway to go. Take a deep breath and blow. Look up and blow. 3 more. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. 2 more. Inhale and blow. Last one. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Okay, and after the lovely ball, we're going to the bolster now to cool down. You guys did amazing strength training with the ball and the elastic band. So with the bolster, if you don't have a bolster, you can use a rolled towel. Put the tape around it, make it firm, and you're gonna lie on it. And with this progression, we still need the ball for support for beginners. And this will help engage your core muscles with the ball. Bend your knees there. Take a deep breath. Belly button in, so it's a little bit difficult to hold in the beginning. And you have to slowly open your palms out to stretch your chest muscles. At the same time, you're engaging your core muscles. So you take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. So it's like a myofascial release. The bolster helps stretch your thoracic area. Inhale, belly button in and blow. So if you're having back pain, stop. If you have low back pain, be careful. But if you're just having a thoracic tightness, that's fine. Inhale, belly button in and blow. 2 more breaths in this position. Hold it. Belly button in and blow. Last one, take a deep breath. And now we're going to slowly bend your knees while rolling the ball towards you, and exhale while extending your knees. Inhale, belly button in and blow. Engage your core muscles. Take a deep breath, belly button in, and slowly go extend and blow. So we're doing 2 things at the same time, strengthening your core muscles as well as stretching your thoracic area with the bolster behind me, and stretching your chest muscles. Take a deep breath, belly button in, and slowly extend and blow. 2 more to go. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. If this is a lot of pain, stop, but if you can tolerate, slowly progress. Inhale, belly button in and blow. Last one. Take a deep breath, and that's it. That was such a lovely Pilates and physical therapy based treatment plan for your neck, upper back, and thoracic area. Always remember to put some heating pads before your treatment plan if you're having some aches and pain. If you like this video and want to follow along with more of my Pilates, physical therapy, and yoga treatment exercises, please subscribe to my channel. Ring the notification bell for future updates, and you're updated with more videos just like this one. You can also follow me on my social media on Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and I also have a Patreon account where you can support my channel. I upload videos every Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays about yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments regarding health and wellness, just leave a message down below in the comment section. Until next time, have a great and healthy you. Bye.